Welcome. Today in this video I'll be explaining how to take down a computer and the key components about a computer. So without further ado, let's begin. First, this is how a PC is gonna look on the outside. This is gonna be the view from the front, and this is gonna be a view on the back. Now we'll be briefly explaining some of the major components that make up a computer, which are RAM, hard drives, CPUs, fan, power supply, motherboard, and others. This is how a motherboard looks on the inside. As you can see, all the cables are unplugged, and later we'll be discussing how to put them back together properly. To start off simple, we're gonna put the CD slot back to its place, as you can see here. We're gonna connect the power cord and the case fan to the motherboard, as well as reconnect the back panel USB. Next, we'll be connecting the other power cable and the front panel USB, meaning the yellow cable will go to the yellow socket and the green cable will go to the green socket. The cable being connected is what starts the computer. As we can see, the RAM is being connected to the docks. As you insert it, you gotta make sure you hear the click sound to know it is firmly connected. We're going to connect the hard drive. Again, you have to be careful to listen for the clicking sound. Once it's inserted, you have to connect the power cable to the power socket of the hard drive and connect the SATA cable to the SATA socket. Here we're connecting the CPU fan onto the motherboard. As you can see, we're gonna connect the CD slot the exact same way we connected the hard drive. Now, with the power cable connected to both the hard drive and the CD slot, we can connect them to the motherboard. Same goes to the SATA cable. We must not also forget about the SPIFFE cable, which is being connected at the bottom right. When it comes to putting back the front case panel, you have to gently slide it up, then push it. When it comes to closing the case, you need to align it to its right position, lift the handle, then slide it and push it down. Lastly, we must make sure the computer works perfectly by connecting the power cable, the VGA cable, and the keyboard and mouse. You can see how the computer components are working and the monitor is loading up. I hope this video helped you understand how to assemble a computer, and thank you for watching.